I thought I'd do a video of how to become.
Really today?
No.
I'm gonna get a shower. I'm gonna shave.
Okay, so I wanted to. How do you become an e-bike tech? I mean, I can talk. I just like to have you here because it's about you. But how do you become an e-bike tech? There's absolutely no school. I think there's this one program, but it's so basic. And we never signed up for it because it was robbery. You didn't learn enough. So how to become an e-bike tech? You don't. We have just learned stuff. Now, I used to work on bikes, but Darren knows so much beyond me of just continuity and in and outs, and it's just become easier over the years, but it's been fucking hard.
Yeah.
Like.
Well, I mean, we didn't have any money as kids, so we would always done all our own, all our own mechanical. And I took 3 years of electricity in high school and some electronics.
Yeah.
So
you had
start.
all the basics.
You get some basic electrical, basic mechanical, and then it's just time spent, really.
And mechanical too, because you make and fix your own motorcycles. You do all car work like that. So yeah, so some basic knowledge on the electrical, but then you gotta be.
Well,
you gotta have.
Still got brakes, tires, and friction points, and all that kind of stuff. But
so the answer is there is no answer. Right, but it's just a good discussion to be like, how do you learn? That's why you choose a dealer that has had a tech with you for years and grown and learned all the ins and outs. And like, we still ask Emo for some stuff, but that's because we have bicycles and dirt bikes and golf carts now, and like so many different units. Like, we started out with 3,
and they change.
It's like,
they change every year too. So.
They do. The connections, they change constantly. So it's an ongoing process to keep up with. And also, how's our support from our distributors?
Off and on.
Actually, Emo is quite good.
Anybody off on
no, there's not. But we don't get schematics. You don't get wiring for anything.
No.
But Emo's really great though. We've sent them some stuff and they like sent a video back. So no, they're very great. I guess I meant is that there's nothing ahead of time. There's no books on it. So it's kind of like when you do have an issue, yes, that we can't figure out, we definitely have the support of Talbike and Emo. So that's great.
Buy a multimeter and learn how to use it. That's a great start.
Yeah, there's definitely enough YouTubes on that.
Yeah.
So